In the past, workshops have always been able to carry out vehicle diagnostics without restrictions. To protect the electronics inside new models, however, their diagnostic systems are now access protected, which usually makes it impossible to perform active diagnostic tasks such as calibrating driver assistance systems or performing service resets. This presents workshops with both technical and administrative challenges because some vehicle manufacturers use proprietary security solutions. These can have different access criteria and payment concepts, for example, which makes diagnostics work more time-consuming, more complicated, and less efficient. But Bosch has the solution: Secure Diagnostic Access, or SDA for short. The Central Integrated Standardized Function provides quick and easy access to the protected vehicle data of participating vehicle manufacturers via EasyTronic. It couldn't be simpler. To get access, all workshops need to do is create a single key ID by registering in a one-time process. They may also need to complete an online user identification step. Every single key ID is unique and can also be used for numerous other Bosch applications, both private and professional. SDA enables workshops to perform comprehensive diagnostics work on vehicles with access-protected electronic systems from participating manufacturers. The solution is being continually expanded to include more vehicle manufacturers. With SDA, Bosch is offering a simple, central solution that can save you time and money, and consequently make your workshop more efficient and more competitive.